So Trevor, you know how like sometimes I will oh my god!
Don't do that.
Wait, Trevor, move this back up so that way like you can push us and then not get on, and then it can see what's going on. Like this?
Yeah. That's what we did.
Then you can push us.
Stay.
Oh! Stop.
You're all going like so, and so fine with that. So
I'm not fine with it.
yeah, you do.
I'm telling Mama, just so you know. Jake, stop. This isn't your helicopter, it's Trevor's.
Wait,
no,
it is? It's both of y'all.
I didn't know it was my helicopter. I thought it was yours because Jake wasn't born when you first got this. So it's
Really?
yours. Yeah, it's yours. Okay.
No, we
I think Arnold is getting a little scared because Dan is talking to him and he's like, okay, being looking.
the rules.
Yeah. There's now zoom on this thing.
Those are really nice.
So Sam, I was thinking that
You were thinking what?
you shall not hear this. This is some inappropriate stuff. Well, it's not inappropriate. I'm just saying because the upcoming video will represent to this, and I don't want you guys to know because they'll be in October. So I was thinking, comment down. Well, I'm going to watch the video first, so you don't have to do anything except for watch, not listen. Okay, so what I was thinking is I was going to take a video of me. So I was thinking of getting a smash cake for my birthday.
Don't. Please don't.
I was thinking of getting a smash cake
Jake,
for my
don't.
Jake, I'm telling Mama. It's not washable.
Yeah, it's not washable. No, it isn't.
Let me see on the side of the marker what it says. Yep, nope, not washable. So what I was thinking is I was going to get a smash cake for my birthday, and it would, and I would
Did
put,
you tell my dad had to? Jake,
and
stop.
I would put the GoPro.
Jake, stop.
Sam. Then I would put the GoPro in the cake.
Stop. Jake, stop.
I'm telling Mama.
Nothing to worry about. It's not washable. Well, it's fine. No, it isn't. It's not washable.
Here, just don't worry about it. I'll get to it after I tell them the story.
Well, try washing it off first.
So I was thinking of getting a smash cake, putting the GoPro in it, and then having a video of me smashing it. Being I have this little handy dandy remote. Click, record. Okay, wha-bam. And done.
Just
I think they, so by the way, they heard that because I unplugged this thing. So let me put your remote back in my pocket.
wait, Trevor.
Okay, we're good.
Trevor, put that in there, and then face it down, push it down, and then you push me around, but don't hop on. And then they'll see how fast we go, and what is gonna happen. Maybe they'll fly. I will fly away from ball. Ooh, are they coming down?
Does this look good?
Yeah.
Ready?
Push that. Push.
I holding on.
Push. Ooh. You know how I get that feeling on my stomach whenever I start swinging and I look down? I'm getting that feeling right now.
What always happens is my stomach, like when I'm going down on the swing, it gives me this weird air feeling.
Yeah, to me it feels like my
Like
the
it's
insides,
filling up on
the
air, kind of.
insides down here are vibrating. It's like ooh.
Kind of, yeah.
Yeah, draw on paper, okay, buddy?
Just don't draw on.
Yeah, the helicopter.
paper.
Ready, everyone? 3, 2, 1. Here we go.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Hit the shit.
Just don't go hit Jake.
Yeah, like you did.
Oh, he's trying to get in.
He's like, hop in, hop in.
He's like, hop in.
He's like, I'm a hop in.
Wait, Trevor, you and me should be on the outside, and then we hop on. All right, now stop the helicopter. Stop the plane. Stop the helicopter. Okay. Oh, and if you're watching this, you're gonna have lots of fun watching us.
Unless if you're motion sick.
Yeah.
Then you're going to have, unless if you get motion sick, then you're going to have a problem.
Yeah. That's gonna be a
And if
problem.
Wait, hang on, let me move the GoPro.
Trevor, why don't you go on the inside and not push you?
No, I'm good.
And then you have the GoPro in your hand, and you like go like this when we go that way.
Experience
Like this
view.
when we go that way.
I'll do that after.
Or maybe you can put that, or you can put that thing right here. Oh, or maybe it can go on a rocket.
I was thinking I was just going to put like
That's fine too.
kind of right here.
Oh, that's good. That's a good.
You're a good place. Stay because you like hotels.
Trevor, look out. Okay.
I wish you could. I wish you could come on the Moab trip. Video's coming up soon. Well, not soon, in like a year.
Wait, you guys are going back to Moab?
Yeah. How'd you not hear the news?
Trevor, look. He's not even holding on.
This thing is still muddy from the mudding videos.
Ready? I'm going up.
No, Sam, I need.
Jeez.
See, that's why you either have to be right here.
I was holding on, but you were like, oh! And I was trying to be like, ah! I was like,
So here, let me see. I think this will be perfect.
Ew.
Right on there. Ew.
I literally went like this, and my tongue touched this. And that's why I did that.
That's gross.
Ready? I'm going to go ahead and spin now.
That's
What?
Sam, you have to get on the sides.
The what?
On the sides.
Fine, I'll get in front.
No, not in front.
I'll push you. I'm going to push you.
No, I didn't say you have to get on the side, Sam. Okay.
Up, up, up.
So how was Steam? Because I noticed that you went right after me.
It was
Steam.
actually really good. I think I went the farthest.
Did you go to the end?
Yeah, I went all the way to the end on the wire.
I was close. You went on the metal wire?
Yeah.
Yeah. I tried the nylon and then I tried the wire.
Did the wire work?
It made me go way the heck farther, but I didn't get to the end.
We're
Stop.
going to be adding 2 more people onto Roblox. They're
Who?
people that you don't know.
Who?
Someone named Lupita, and then someone named Isaac.
Isaac Wonders?
No, I hate Isaac Wonders.
I've never told him any of the words in my life. A single word. If you have any clue who Isaac Wonders is,
Please subscribe and tell us that if he's mean or if he's nice. Ew!
yeah, you don't have to do that. Sam, horse lover is crazy.
You should not say your real name in YouTube. Because it is very bad.
Why?
Because people can find you. But my name, I don't think they'd be able to find me. Because there is so many Sams in the world.
Well, the only problem with my name, the only good thing with my name is I don't put location on my videos, as you can tell. And I don't put, because there's an option to where you can put your location on your videos. But what I don't do is I don't put the location on videos. And I didn't put my actual name. It's just Trevor Bro. Obviously. Okay, so get on the side, get on your side. This side's my side, because that's where I put the GoPro.
I don't like this.
So we gotta spin it.
What?
When it used to be almost down to here, the spinning.
Yeah.
That was a lot.
I literally feel like I'm gonna fall. I ain't sitting on no marker.
That's what I'm doing. It ain't gonna get on your butt because remember it's not washable. Yeah, it is. Where is it? It's washable. As long as you don't smear, then it shouldn't get on.
Just bounce. Boing.
If you want to risk breaking a tree, then you can, but and you're gonna be paying for it. Is this no $50 rope?
I ain't paying for no rope.
Well,
Ropes are
then you
stupid.
shouldn't do it.
Well, rope is stupid and I no pay. You can't tell me that I have to pay.
Why?
Even if your dad does, I still ain't paying.
Why?
Neither are my mom and my dad. Because my mom and dad are your dad's aunt and uncle in law. Because of Deborah. Because Deborah is my dad's niece. So
Then we just tell Nana to tell Dan to make you pay because
no, they can't. She can't.
I'm like they're both sisters, so and brother.
I was like,